Is your Gmail background driving you crazy? Restore the clean default theme in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click in Gmail settings to switch back to the original background. Follow these 7 simple steps. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Gmail settings. Then, click on See All Settings to open the full settings panel. Now, click on Themes at the top bar to view theme options. Then click on Set Theme to browse available themes. Scroll down and locate the default theme, then click it to select it. Finally, click Save to apply the default background. You're back to the classic Gmail look. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.